Hey, y'all. There have been so many conversations following the shooting involving attorneys Mary Catherine Harris and Jeffrey Whitley yesterday at the Wake County Courthouse right here in Raleigh, North Carolina. And it has even gone nationwide. But so many of those conversations have really just turned dark and ugly, excusing the violence against these attorneys for just doing their job. But I've seen a lot of comments on Facebook over litigants that are just frustrated with the legal process. And they feel disenfranchised and they feel like they have no power in the process. And so I want to talk to you a little bit about what I do at Live Free Legal, because that's exactly what I do is I help litigants going through the legal process feel empowered. I have a 12-week legal education intensive program for folks that are walking through the legal process who maybe can't afford an attorney. And so we talk about what is the legal process? How can you be most prepared? What types of things should you be doing to be prepared? What types of things should you not be doing? What's going to harm your case? How do we organize evidence? What is evidence? Answering basic generalized questions that will really help folks going through this process feeling powerless in a system that they don't really understand a lot about. And that's my goal, is to really walk alongside them and help them not feel so powerless. So that when they come into the courtroom, they are prepared. They do come across as credible. And so the 12-week program actually begins in just a couple of weeks. And so registration, I'm going to open it early. It was going to start Memorial Day, but I'm going to open registration early. So if you're interested in learning more about the 12-week legal education intensive for women navigating divorce, custody litigation, domestic violence, coercive control, post-separation abuse, or high conflict custody battles, go to the link below at www.livefreelegal.com. This is not therapy. This is not legal representation. This is powerful, generalized legal education designed to help women stop spiraling in fear and start approaching their cases strategically and intellectually. I hope to see you there.